5 things you should know about acne treatment. 1. Know what you buy. When it comes to acne treatment products, most people just simply buy based on the advertising they watch. Each person is different as far as skin sensitivity is concerned. Therefore, it is important before you buy any acne treatment product, make sure you know how sensitive your skin is. 2. Acne demand great deal of patience. You want to get rid of acne right away? Then buy this ABC product. Saw something familiar? How many times you have been enticed by those kind of ads? Getting rid of acne will not happen overnight. Do not be frustrated when the results are not what you expected. 3. Never pop pimples. When you get acne and see your face in front of mirror, did you hear those tempting little voice screaming to you, pop the pimples? Don't hear that, no matter how tempting it might be. By doing so will leave you with scars, and removing those scars will consume a lot of time and money. 4. Be careful with the side effect of acne treatment product. Be informed about your skin type and acne treatment product you use. Easiest way to do so is just visiting your doctor and ask him, her about possibility of acne treatment product you use could have some side effects. A few side effects that may occur are allergic reaction, respiratory tract irritation, flaking of the skin, redness, inflammation of the skin. To avoid this, you could use natural acne treatment products that use herb as their main material. One ingredient you will consistently find in natural acne treatment products is tea tree oil, because tea tree oil kills bacteria. The point here is before you use anything, do some research first. 5. Want to remove your acne scar and do it quickly and efficiently? Then you should consider trying acne laser scar treatment. This method is faster, but it is important that you consult your dermatologist to know if there is any side effects involved before choosing this method.